Alright, we'll start taking stuff out of the inside of it, and you can do that, Jared.
Actually a nice day to do this.
This is the perfect day to do this. So are you? Inside, we got the two front fenders, a bunch of spare other pieces. Lisa still has the seats in it.
We don't have much water left.
Well, you got a knot there. You got to take the knot out, Genius.
Wait, sorry. Better. Thanks. The more that you take out the trousers, yes.
Still has the cages and the dash. Boy, what do you got here? A treat, guys. Here's what we're gonna some canned peaches or something.
They gave us the canned peaches.
Oh yeah, look at this.
Unless that's the secondary one.
So we gotta get this in the.
Disgusting.
Nice.
That's
That
for
looks
dessert
disgusting.
later. Dessert later.
Dessert later.
Absolutely.
Serve that up with some ice cream.
These gloves really fit me.
I just do the best you can.
Oh, I only have one glove. Nice, Josh.
There you go.
Okay, there was only
You can't even get an even amount of gloves.
there wasn't an even amount of gloves. This was everyone they had.
Very nice floor on the inside. No real bad rust through or anything like that at all. All the floors look really, really nice in this thing. Watch out, Jared.
Okay, I'm getting rid of it. Getting rid of the peaches.
Peaches are going.
Going. Gross.
Yeah, that's disgusting. Out of all the things to store inside of a car for decades, you know. Some old peaches.
Oh, what in case you just want some peaches?
Hey, Jared, can you take, Jared, hose down, like you see it's all dirty in here, hose all this down, right down. Well, all we're gonna do now is let it dry out a little bit. I guess we'll open the trunk bit as well. Dry out, then we'll put all the parts back inside of it for storage. And of course there's some more spots I gotta scrub and clean because my OCD compels me to. You'll need a couple boxes, a bunch of chrome pieces there, bits.
I'll figure it out.
Alright, so inside we had both front fenders, which seem in really nice condition. There's the hood that was on it, just upside down. That was inside it. Tons of bits and pieces, lots of chrome stuff, spare rear vent windows, trim for around the rear vent windows, under the hood stuff, headlights, lots more chrome, bits and pieces. More chrome wiring, who knows what for what technically. Battery box. This bumper's for a different vehicle, it was just leaning against this one. brake booster. It's obviously not for this vehicle, so I'm not sure what that's for exactly. Maybe they were planning on putting it on this one.
That's on the broom handle, which is right over there.
Where's the broom handle?
So much cleaner.